Welcome everybody to the Weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at most of the events, if not all, but most, that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week. Obviously, we can't cover every single event, but we try to cover all the big ones. So watch, sit back, relax. I'm going to go through our schedule and our trade room schedule so you can see what's going on coming up. And it is a busy, exciting, interesting week. Sunday evening at 7:30, there's an Australian retail sales report. No trade room. We're going to watch that report and see if it starts moving again. Monday. Now, Monday, there are two reports that we have DMMs for. That means we have trade reports. 8:30 for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing, and 8:45 for the Caixin manufacturing report. They're usually not big movers, and that's why I didn't schedule a trade room. But I want you to keep your eye on your email inbox because we're testing the Australian rate statement. I think it's been moving. If it's been moving as much as I think, I will call a last-minute trade room for Monday evening. And if I do Australia, I'll do the Caixin manufacturing and the regular Chinese manufacturing as well. So just keep an eye out on your inbox for Monday evening in case we call it emergency trade room, we'll call it. Tuesday, 4:30 in the morning is British manufacturing. It's a report we're just watching. Our first official trade room of the week is Canada GDP. I plan on trading that live at 8 a.m. is the trade room on Tuesday. And then we have two events, final manufacturing and a bigger report, ISM manufacturing. That trade room is at 9:30. I will be trading ISM. And then Tuesday at 4 p.m., API is back at its regular time, and I'll be trading that as well. And this really means, regardless of what's going on in the world, I'm planning on trading those reports. Australia GDP at 7 p.m. on Tuesday is a family money trade, and I'll certainly be trading that. Wednesday morning at 7:45, ADP, the payroll report. That is a family money trade. I'll be trading that. And at 9:30, we've got the Canada bank rate statement. I should be trading that. 9:30, the same room. We'll stay in the room for crude oil. The beige book at 1:30, a trade room, and I'm planning on trading that. That might depend on market volatility, but we have a setup that I think is going to work for the beige book regardless of what's going on in the market. So I'm very optimistic that we'll be trading that live as well. And Wednesday night at 7:30, we'll be watching Australia's building approvals and trade balance. Don't really expect that big of a move out of it. Thursday at 8 a.m., we've got unemployment claims and non-farm productivity. I'm not sure where I stand on that report when it doesn't trade with another meaningful report. In other words, unemployment claims, say with GDP, unemployment claims with retail news, unemployment claims maybe with trade balance or something like that. Then I'm more interested in trading it. But we'll see. We have a new setup, and we may have to shrink it a little bit for Thursday claims by itself, but we're going to have the room, and let's see what happens. 9:30 on Thursday, we've got two events, final services and ISM services. ISM we've been trading, and then natural gas also at 9:30. I want to start trading natural gas again. I'm superstitious. I'll wait for a stop out, and then I'm very interested in starting to trade natural gas again. It's behaving really well. Friday is the big one, the Friday jobs report. We're going to keep bonds alive because bonds were fabulous last month, even though we didn't trade them. And we'll have gold and the euro for that report, and maybe something else up our sleeve. Not sure yet. But you could see it's a busy week. It should be an exciting week, a lot of trades. It's time for a lot of trades, and I want to thank everybody for watching. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody in the trade room. Stay safe and have a great rest of your weekend.